Minister Shukla Charan Noatia visited the Jolaibari constituency to inspect ongoing developmental projects and chair a high-level review meeting. He was accompanied by MDC Kenaram Reang and departmental officials. Following the field inspection, Minister Shukla Charan Noatia presided over an administrative review meeting organized by the block administration at the Jolaibari RD Block Conference Hall. The deliberations focused on ensuring the effective implementation of public welfare schemes, strengthening interdepartmental coordination, and streamlining the transparent and expedited delivery of government services to the public. Reported by Bikram from Santi Bazar, Chini Khorang.